This captures the essence. OPSC came up with the new syllabus. Now, if you look here, इनका मिलन नहीं होगा. क्यों? Because although there is some degree of convergence, we still have some divergence. So in this video, I'll talk about what are the convergence, what are the divergence, and as an aspirant, what you should do so that you can align your preparation according to the new pattern given by the OPSC. Let's begin. Okay. First, I'll talk about the similarity. If you look at the similarity, OPSC, the essay was 200, essay 200 mark थिला आगुरु एबे 250 हो जाइछि and marks जदि देखिबो synchronization of marks has happened. So mark is completely synchronized. Now if you look at essay जदि देखिबो आगुरु OPSC essay गोटे पचार थिला out of 6 you have to write 1, but just like UPSC they have changed it. Now you have to write 2 essays and each essay you have to write somewhere around 1000 to 1200 words. So complete similarity between UPSC and OPSC. Even though they used to UPSC जदि recent years देखियो philosophical essay पचारचंती and OPSC this year itself have started asking philosophical essays. So complete convergence as far as essay is concerned. If you look at ethics, आगुरु OPSC रे ethics paper completely नथिला ही. So जो मैंने आगुरु प्रिपेयर करथुले and who are still preparing now, for them they have to adapt. GS पेपर जब देखिबा आगुरु OPSC रे 2टा GS पेपर थिला एबे 4टा हे गला just like UPSC, and the best part is they have removed the statistics, so which is a very good part. Actually statistics unnecessarily thila, so they have removed statistics. Now if you go to the OPSC prelims रे किछि syllabus change ही हैनी. In fact, if you look at the syllabus, OPSC prelim syllabus is same as before. And one thing I want you to pay attention here is, just have an idea कि prelims रे international importance or international events are there. Just pay an attention. I will come back to this point later. Now, if you look at the OPSC new syllabus, they have added 3 more GS papers, 1 ethics paper. Okay, so in these 3 GS paper, GS 1, 2 and 3 papers, you have to cover these aspects which is very specific to Odisha. That is, you have to cover in detail of Odisha history, Odisha geography, Odisha society, Odisha economy, Odisha polity, Odisha culture. And another important aspect here is, if you look at prelim syllabus re international events अच्छे, they can ask those things in the prelims exam. किंतु यदि नुआ syllabus देखिबो international relation is not there. So they have, maybe by accident or by happenstance, have removed international relation from the OPSC syllabus completely. Instead they have added something called Odisha and its neighborhood. तामाने interstate relation has become important now, and international relation OPSC पाई तुमको पढ़िबा दरकार ही नहीं. So this is all about it, and if you ask me honestly, so there is high degree of convergence marks हिसाब रे, paper हिसाब रे, all those convergence are there, but at the same time you have to do a lot of work as far as Odisha history is concerned, culture is concerned, and other parts of Odisha economy, polity, lot of things that they have added from Odisha perspective into the syllabus. So ता ऊपर तुम मन को काम करियो पड़िबो. That means you have to do a hard work on those aspects that जदि आगुरु तुम prepare करि आस्तलो, then this is a new change. Another change is, and the good thing is that optional केवल गोटी optional हे गला. So unnecessary optional रखी किछि लाभ नहीं. Whichever the subject that you like the most and लागुछि कि you can do well, then you can keep it as your optional. So burden of another extra optional is gone, but at the same time quality you have to improve. At the same time you have to study or do more work on certain Odisha aspects. So that's about it, and if you do that, then you will do well. Thank you.